Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony MEX-BT5000 car radio receiver and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there are two main reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If this radio is not connecting to your Bluetooth device, or it's not syncing or pairing, or if it seems to be frozen or lagging or not responding, or any issues like that where it's not working that you're trying to fix, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now you will need to set it up again, and this is the second reason you might want to do this. If you're putting this radio in a new car, or just for whatever reason you want to get a fresh start as though it were just coming out of the box, we can restore it to its factory default settings. It's very easy to do. All we need to do is find the reset button, which is behind the front panel. So what we're going to do is we're going to come in and make sure our radio is turned off. Then we're going to press the open button. The face will fold down. We can shift it slightly to the right and from the left side pull it out. And then with a pen or a pencil or a paper clip, we'll find the reset button, which is right about here on the inner panel of the radio. Press and hold it for about 1 to 2 seconds. Let go, replace the panel, and your radio will be reset.